Imagine a future where your supplements don't just nourish your body, they're charged with energy frequencies that enhance healing, balance, and cellular performance. That future is already here. Emerging research and innovation are exploring how infusing sound wave frequencies into nutritional supplements can supercharge their health benefits and unlock new dimensions of healing. So what are sound wave frequencies, you're probably asking? Well, at the core, sound waves are vibrations, specific patterns of energy moving through air, water, or even solid matter. They come in different frequencies measured in hertz that interact with the world in unique ways. Some frequencies are known to calm the nervous system, stimulate cellular repair, or enhance brain function. The concept of using sound for healing isn't new. Ancient cultures used singing bowls, chanting, and rhythmic drumming to create resonance and promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Today, researchers are taking this ancient wisdom a step further by integrating targeted frequencies directly into products like nutritional supplements. So how do these frequency-infused supplements work, you're probably asking? Well, when sound frequencies are infused into a supplement, whether a powder, liquid, or a capsule, it's typically through a process called resonant imprinting. Using specialized equipment, specific frequencies are embedded into the molecular structure of the supplement without changing its physical properties. Think of it like downloading beneficial energy software into the substance. Once it's consumed, your body doesn't just receive the vitamins, minerals, and botanicals, it also absorbs the informational energy carried by the frequency. This subtle energetic layer may help the body recognize, integrate, and utilize the nutrients more efficiently while also targeting imbalances at an energetic level. What are the potential benefits of frequency-infused supplements? Number one, enhanced bioavailability. One of the biggest challenges with supplements is bioavailability, the degree to which your body can absorb and use the nutrients. Frequencies that promote cell membrane permeability may help nutrients enter cells more easily, making the supplement more potent with smaller doses. Number two, faster healing and recovery. Certain frequencies, such as 432 Hz, often associated with cellular repair, and 528 Hz, known as the miracle tone for DNA repair, may accelerate tissue healing, reduce inflammation, and support regeneration. Imagine a post-workout recovery supplement that not only reduces soreness, but also energetically stimulates muscle repair. Number three, nervous system regulation. Supplements infused with calming frequencies like 396 Hz, liberating guilt or fear, or 417 Hz, facilitating change, could have an added soothing effect on the body's stress response. This could be especially beneficial for adaptogenic or mood support formulas. Number four, cellular resonance and alignment. Healthy cells vibrate at optimal frequencies. When supplements are infused with life-affirming sound waves, they may help retune your body's natural vibratory state, supporting greater resilience against illness and enhancing overall vitality. Number five, subtle energy healing. Many holistic practitioners believe that true health begins in the energetic body, the field of subtle energy that surrounds and interpenetrates the physical body. Frequency-infused supplements could address imbalances not just biochemically, but energetically, offering a multidimensional healing experience. Let's look at some real-world applications. Innovative companies are already using sound-infused technologies in supplements, structured water, and even skincare products. Some brands focus on harmonizing the body's electromagnetic field. Others target specific outcomes like immune resilience, mental clarity, or emotional balance. For example, cognitive supplements might be infused with frequencies linked to heightened brainwave activity like theta or gamma. Immune formulas could resonate with frequencies that stimulate vitality and cellular defense. While more peer-reviewed studies are needed, early feedback from users often include phrases like, "Oh, I feel more balanced, I recover faster," or "It feels like the supplements just work better." The future of healing is vibrational. As our understanding of quantum biology, energy medicine, and vibrational science expands, it's clear that nutritional support is moving beyond chemistry alone. Frequency-infused supplements represent an exciting evolution in wellness, merging the tangible power of nutrients with the invisible yet profound forces of energy and vibration. In the coming years, expect to see more products designed not just to nourish the body, but to tune it, harmonize it, and heal it at every level. Because healing isn't just physical, it's vibrational. Great Life Worldwide is upping their nutritional game by infusing their powerful nutritional supplements with this amazing energy technology. And right now, you can try your choice of one of these amazing nutritional supplements absolutely free. Comment free below or reach out to the person who shared this information with you to get all of the details.